let's dive into how building upgrades can actually become a powerful financial engine for you.
You think of your building as an asset, right? But what if it's quietly draining your capital?
For a standard facility, we're talking a potential $500,000 drain every single year from waste.
This financial bleed, it comes from rising maintenance, wasted energy, and costly operational disruptions.
Okay, let's look at a case study. This huge utility bill was basically screaming for optimization.
The solution starts with a shift in perspective. It's about infrastructure integrity, not just basic maintenance.
And how do you achieve that? Through the AEE framework. It's a financial strategy for your building's DNA.
OEZ hits the 4 core systems: air, water, electrical, and the building envelope for peak efficiency.
You know, this data-driven approach is actually rooted in a very personal, near-fatal experience.
All right, let's get to the proof. In that case study, a targeted investment of $55,000 was made.
This created almost $20,000 in annual savings, a direct boost to net operating income.
And get this, the payback period is less than 3 years. After that, it's pure profit.
That works out to a fantastic 35% projected annual return on the investment.
And here's the mic drop. It boosted the building's potential asset value by over $327,000.
So how do you pay for it all? The crucial part is you don't use your own CapEx.
It's a simple 3-step process that makes these modernizations totally accessible without new capital.
This timeline here shows the self-funding cycle. It creates a success story to fuel even more projects. See, low-interest financing is secured, and the project's own savings actually cover the payments.
So really, it boils down to a simple binary choice for the C-suite. So you have to ask, is your building a financial drain or is it a powerful engine for growth?